Want to schedule direct messages on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to schedule direct messages on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Then tap on the message icon from the top right corner of your screen. You can either tap on the icon which is at the top right corner of your screen or click on the existing chat. Now enter the message that you want to schedule. After that, tap and hold on the send icon to open the schedule button. Now schedule the date and time when you want to send this message. Click on the send button. Now the message will be sent at the scheduled date and time. And that's how you can schedule direct messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.